the proprietor of this company. And my company name is Balaji Food Flavor and brand name is Nimisha Masala. So I am the manufacturer of kebab masalas, gravies, podis and all. And I am currently supplying to all the hotel industry, caterers, pan India, not just in Hyderabad, but even to the IT companies like Facebook, Google, through other companies called Compass and all. Speciality of this product is the products are fully packed and fully available for ready to use. Like you have these gravies, I'll just show you. This is Murg Malai. So once you open this packet, you just have to marinate it. No need to add water, anything. Marinate it if you're a vegetarian with vegetable, if you're a non-vegetarian with chicken. Leave it for a few hours and then grill it up. So they are zero preservative, no artificial flavors, coloring, nothing. It's a modern technique, what is called as preservation techniques of changing your packing mode. So we are not using any preservatives on this. People are buying my products because first thing, it is very easy to use. And today's time, what we see, husband and wife both are working. Both have no time to spend so much of time in the kitchen. So this product is very, very fast, very, very easy. And in many products you see, at the ingredients back, MSG will be there, preservative will be there, class 2, class 3 preservative, harmful chemicals, colors will be there. Our product has no such ingredients in it, no MSG, nothing, no preservatives, nothing. So even my child, when I give, there is no clutch, like, am I giving my child the healthy food or no? It is 100% healthy because it has no artificial coloring, flavoring and all. Definitely I am using it. It is a good exposure because it's a Horeca business, a Horeca industry where we see all chefs coming, hotels, caterers and these retailers, they come, wholesalers, they come. So when they come, they see our products and they know, if not today, tomorrow, they will recognize this brand. If not today, tomorrow, they'll come, they'll buy this product. And that is how we increase our chain.